the Government Employees Pension Fund, has just released its annual report for the end of March 2021. And thanks to a strong market recovery, the fund increased by 27.5%, adding a massive 451 billion of value to the fund. This was a very welcome recovery after the market crash in March 2020, when the fund declined by 11.4%, reducing the value by 260 billion. Now, while this growth is exceptional and it's great news for members, what is more significant is that over the last decade, the GEPF has delivered an annualized return of 8.9%. This is a real return above inflation of over 4%. These above inflation returns allow the GEPF to continue to pay inflation-related increases to pensioners and to provide real returns to active members. Digging a little bit deeper into the figures, we see that the increase in investment value was driven mainly by the recovery in equities, which are shares in listed companies, as well as government bonds. However, the fund's performance was negatively impacted by property portfolios, which bore the brunt of market conditions due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The property market has not fully recovered, and the GEPF has implemented a very conservative valuation on its unlisted and property assets. This means that should market conditions improve, these assets could exceed the value of the original investment. The good news for members is that the growth of the fund continues to exceed the funds paid out to members and retirees. This means that the fund remains solvent and it will be able to meet its future liabilities as current members retire or exit the fund. In an effort to enhance and strengthen the oversight and monitoring of the Government Pensions Administration Agency and the Public Investment Corporation, the GEPF has taken several steps during the financial year. These include a comprehensive review of the fund's investment policy, investment mandate, and management agreements with the PIC. These will include a more stringent consequent management, a review of the fee models, and improved investment and reporting guidelines. There will also be a review of the fund's operating model and quality of service provided by the GPAA. This review includes the benchmarking of administrative systems to meet the needs of the GEPF and its clients. According to the GEPF, it continues to remain optimistic of the future growth of the fund and will continue to play their part in growing the South African economy. If you want more detail on the GEPF annual report, you can find it on the GEPF website.